It's the pizza episode featuring the Master Chef Tabletop Propane Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven with cover. So to get started, we're going to make some dough. So we're going to add some water, sugar, salt, flour, and yeast to this bread making pan, which does a great job of making our dough. So once we have it, we're going to put it into the bread maker and we'll set it and forget it. The dough is ready to use at this point, however I had to go out, so I transferred it to a bowl to let it proof some more. Pizza making is all about preparation work, so we're going to take the dough, lightly flour it up, and then portion it out into each single serving. And now that we got that done, we can move on to the pizza oven. Like I said before, it's the Master Chef Tabletop Propane Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven with cover. This is a great product. It does a really good job at making pizzas, and I love the fact that it's portable, and if there's a pizza emergency somewhere, I can just pick it up and take it with me. Now don't do what I did here. Don't tilt it forward, otherwise the pizza stone could come out. Fortunately, that didn't happen here. Okay, now we're going to fire it up and preheat it for a good 20 minutes. Get the stone really hot. The stone is what's really going to cook the pizza. We want to make sure we get the stone up to temperature about 290 degrees Celsius or 550 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to check that with a heat gun. You can see we're about there. So you can see the accoutrement that I'm working with. It's important to have a nice slide. Using some flour, really make sure the dough isn't sticky and that it doesn't stick to the slide when we shove it in the oven. Now for the slide, I actually use a roti pan. It seems to be the perfect size for this oven, and it just does a really good job. Okay, we're just dressing pizza. I use simple crushed tomatoes as sauce. Sometimes I use pizza sauce. It's up to you. The world's your oyster at this point. Now, the moment of truth. You slide the pizza in, and yes, it didn't stick to the pan. Now, the pizza's going to cook really fast, under 2 minutes. So we're going to have to shift it around every 10 seconds or so. It's very much like a figure competition. It's just a quarter turn each time, until we have pizza perfection. Oh, doesn't that look good? Yeah, so we're gonna lay that out, cut it, and see if we can look inside the crust so you can see that nice fluffiness that's developed. Oh, there it is. Yes, pizza perfection. Good. Now, just some gratuitous shots of the pizzas that I made that day. After every third pizza or so, I need to reheat the stone, so I jack up the heat a little bit. And there you have it. That is the pizza episode, a review of the Master Chef Tabletop Propane Gas Outdoor Pizza Oven with cover. Enjoy. Get at some pizza making. So long.